Next, we will be doing cup removal from the elevator. Cut the 3 wire ties along the elevator. Then remove these 2 screws. Next, we will loosen and remove the X belt tensioner from the cup assembly. Loosening the X belt tensioner will allow access to the lower screw to allow for full removal of the clamp. Next, we need to remove the 2 screws that secure the pulley guide rail. Remove the pulley guide rail from the elevator brackets, allowing you to remove the cup assembly. Reverse the previous steps for reinstallation of the cup assembly.